Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm here to tell you about the Colore Watercolor Pencils. They're water-soluble colored pencils for art students and professionals, assorted colors for sketch coloring pages or for kids and adults. They're all vibrant colors for and it's a set of 72 pencils, which look like this. We go from silver to white to blushes and orange, and well, that's more of an orange color, orangey orange. There's more yellows and mustards, army green, different reds, pinks, purples, I believe, yeah, that's purples, and turquoises, blues, and greens. So it covers the gamut. It covers the gamut of colors, and the colors are all really vibrant. Each watercolor pencil is designed to retain full intensity to make making it perfect to express any artistic talent, either on sketches or watercolor presentation with 72 exciting colors. It also comes with this watercolor brush, which I will demonstrate and show you what it looks like when you put water over pencil sketches. So we will show that in just a little bit. I think it makes a perfect gift for Christmas. Just a nice gift to give someone who loves to do drawing and crafting and hasn't really gotten into watercolors just yet, but this gives them something to start with, starting with watercolor pencils, because watercolors can be prohibitively expensive. As I was saying, it can be prohibitively expensive to get into watercolor when you have to buy individual colors. I mean, you can buy watercolor sets. A lot of times those watercolors aren't that great. But I had a grandmother who was an artist. She did multimedia, and she did watercolors, so I would actually get to work with pretty expensive watercolor paints that my grandfather would buy her. It's a completely different experience when you use a higher end type of medium. And these actually are coming in at a really good price point. They're you know, it's an ideal water soluble color pencil set for teens, kids, adults, art enthusiasts, students, and professional creatives. They even guarantee that you will have satisfaction guaranteed. Yeah, like I said, it's a really good price point. 72 colors is pretty awesome. I am not the most experienced of artists, but what I'm going to do is just draw a little flower. I'm going to start here with some yellow pencil and draw the center of the flower. Put that back. Then I'm going to pick out, let's do a purple for the flower petals. We're going to color this in a little bit. It's not really that bad of a flower. Not terrible. You can all sit here and watch me do this. Yeah, but I with my grandma, she always allowed me to use all of her tools and woodworking tools and all sorts of fun things. And I'd come with her to classes, to life drawing classes, as she took at a community college. Let's put another leaf right there, or petal, I'm sorry. Okay, so we have a little flower here. And I'm going to put this color back. I like that color. And then what I'm going to do is grab the green, as I grabbed two other ones out of there. Let's put those back the way they go. And I'm going to just draw a little stem and a little leaf that comes off of it. So now we've drawn something with the pencil, and it has really, it has really good pigmentation. You can see that for sure. I really like that aspect of this color palette. So with the brush, I am going to dip it into some water. We're going to run it over the color. See, the pink is coming off there. We're going to run it into the color, and it's going to turn into watercolor. So it's transforming that pencil into watercolor. I'm going to rinse this off. Also show you the green. See that? That shows you a lot more. That shows you that you really are turning the pencil into a watercolor painting. And watercolor paintings are so lovely. Like I said, really good price point. See the pink petals turn into watercolor. Yeah, I think this is a really wonderful set. It's a great price point. I definitely would give it a 5 out of 5. I think it is a great set. So you can take my word for it and try it, or you can not take my word for it and try it as well. So the Colore Watercolor Pencils, 72 with an extra paintbrush, which is wonderful. So give it a try, and thanks so much for watching.